Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2017 Ford Focus RS Mountune we have new in stock. This Ford Focus RS is finished in the optional magnetic grey metallic paint. This vehicle has a really nice and unique specification. To start with some of the exterior features, you've got the 19-inch satin black alloy wheels with the blue painted brake calipers just behind. You've got the LED daytime running lights with the Bi-Xenon headlights and headlight washers, your chrome exhaust pipe finishers, some of your RS body styling being shown around the exterior of the vehicle here. You've also got privacy glass as part of the luxury package. You can see some of the Mountune accessories in the engine bay here. These consist of the Mountune Induction kit, the Mountune Re-Circ valve, and the power increase, which consists of about 25 PS or 40 Newton meters. You've got a half leather, half fabric interior with the Recaro trimmed front seats. You've got the contrast blue stitching, the Recaro embroidery on the bolster here. You've got your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with the continuing of the contrast blue stitching and the RS badging. You've got the optional cruise control with speed limiter available on the left-hand side. This vehicle also comes with the optional power folding door mirrors as an optional feature and the KeyFree entry system. The Ford Sync 3 with the 10 Sony speaker surround sound system is another one of the optional features visible on the door card here. On the centre console you've got some of your different driving modes, your gear stick with your leather gear gaiter and the contrast blue stitching again. You've got some of your climate control functions on the centre console, and on the centre screen you can see access to some of your infotainment features such as DAB radio and your optional reversing camera. If you would like any more information on this 2017 Ford Focus RS Mountune, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.